Welcome back to the Car Collective. And today we're diving into something that's been stirring up a storm among performance car enthusiasts, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS. If you're thinking the muscle car era is fading away, Chevy clearly didn't get the memo. Because what they've brought to the table this time is aggressive, refined, and surprisingly modern in all the right ways. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 Camaro SS is that it's evolved, not just aesthetically, but in its entire attitude. The body lines are sharper, the stance is lower, and the LED lighting signature has been completely redesigned to give it a more futuristic, sinister presence on the road. It's a Camaro that looks like it knows exactly what it's here to do. Intimidate and dominate. Under the hood, the SS badge still means serious business. Chevy continues the legacy with a 6.2-liter LT2 V8 engine that now pushes out an estimated 495 horsepower. And yes, it still comes with a 6-speed manual, option for the purists out there. For those chasing speed with convenience, the 10-speed automatic is also on offer, refined further for quicker, smoother shifts. This isn't just a fast car, it's a car that feels alive in your hands, whether you're on the drag strip or carving up the back roads. Now, inside the 2026 SS, things have taken a dramatic leap forward. Chevrolet has finally stepped away from the dated interior design and gone full digital. A massive curved display integrates both the gauge cluster and infotainment into one sweeping, customizable interface. It's crisp, responsive, and feels like it belongs in a car twice the price. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a premium Bose sound system, and even a track telemetry suite built right into the dash. And yes, ventilated seats are finally standard on the SS. But here's where it gets interesting. The handling. Chevy's reworked the magnetic ride control system to be more adaptive, especially in real-time driving situations. Paired with a slightly lighter chassis and new performance tires, the 2026 Camaro SS corners flatter, responds sharper, and feels more connected to the road than any SS before it. It's still raw muscle, but now it's dressed in a suit. The Car Collective verdict? This isn't just a final hurrah, it feels like a statement. If this is the last of the pure V8 Camaros, it's going out on an unforgettable high note. So, if you're a fan of real American muscle with a modern twist, the 2026 Camaro SS is something you'll want to experience firsthand. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next deep dive. This is the Car Collective, where passion meets performance.